Hello everybody, my name is Justin Huang and today we'll be talking about the periodic table. What is a periodic table? A periodic table displays different elements that are arranged by increasing atomic number. Different periodic tables also display the state of matter that an element is in at 25 degrees Celsius. The periodic table is a fundamental tool that is used to present information to chemists about the different types of elements and how they are related to one another. On the periodic table, there are many letters and numbers which can be intimidating to students who are just learning the basics of chemistry. First, there will be letters that correspond with each element. This is known as the element symbol. For example, oxygen has the symbol O on the periodic table, and sodium has the symbol Na. Second, there will be a number that is associated with each element that is universal across all periodic tables. This number is the atomic number. The atomic number of an element represents the number of protons of every atom of that element. For example, hydrogen has the atomic number 1 because it has 1 proton. Third, there will be a number below the symbol that represents the atomic mass of an element. The atomic mass of an element is the mass of an atom of that element. The atomic mass of an element is measured in atomic mass units, or AMU. So this is what one element would look like on the periodic table. So oxygen has the atomic number 8, it has the element symbol O, and it has the atomic mass of 15.999. So some things to note. Be careful with the symbols of elements on the periodic table, as some of the symbols may not have letters that are related to the letters in the element. For example, copper is not Co, but Cu instead, and gold is Au. The atomic mass of an element is typically rounded to the nearest hundredth. For example, carbon has an atomic mass of 12.011, but can be represented as 12.01 AMU. Also, you may need to memorize the symbols of elements on the periodic table, since not all periodic tables show the name of that element. So here are some examples. Feel free to pause the video if you would like to try these questions. So the first question, which element has an atomic number of 10? We look to the periodic table on our right and we look for an element that has the atomic number of 10. And it looks like neon has the atomic number of 10 because it has 10 protons. So that is our answer. So the number above an element represents the atomic number, and neon has an atomic number of 10, so therefore it is our answer. Question number 2. Which element has an atomic mass that is approximately 1.01? Now, when we look at the periodic table, we don't really see an element that has exactly 1.01 AMU. The key word in this question is approximately, meaning that we would have to round. So if we look at hydrogen, its atomic mass is a 1.00794. And once we round to the nearest hundredth, we get 1.01 AMU. So that is our answer. So the number below the symbol of an element on the periodic table displays the atomic mass. The answer would be hydrogen because its atomic mass is 1.01 AMU once rounded. And the third question, what element has Al as its symbol? On the periodic table to our right, it doesn't display the names of the elements, meaning that we would have to memorize the element names and symbols. So once you memorize that, you'll know that aluminum has the symbol Al, and therefore that is our answer. So aluminum is the answer. The symbol of an element is usually below or above the name of an element when it is displayed. So some good resources to use. ptable.com has a really good periodic table because it allows you to interact with it, and the periodic table on their website displays all types of properties for different elements. Thank you for watching.